Today I am going to make these beautiful earrings. This is very easy to make. For these earrings I need a ring, a 1mm crochet hook and a DMC thread. The number of the thread is J182. So let's begin. I am going to single crochet around the ring. Make single crochet to cover the ring. After crocheting, your rings look like this. You have to cover the extra thread while crocheting. I have done my first row. Now we are going to the second step. To join the row, make a slip knot with the first chain. Now we are going to make the second row. For this, the next step is we are going to chain 3 and then skip 2 chain and make a slip knot with the third chain. Again make 3 chain, skip 2 chain and make a slip knot at third chain. Do this all around the ring. Now join the 3 chain with slip knot to join the row. Now my second row is complete. For the third row, my next step is going to make 3 chain, then make a double crochet into the chain space. Now make another double crochet into the chain space, same chain space. Here is my 3 double crochet including the chain. Now we are going to make a triple crochet into the same chain space. I am going to make 3 triple crochet into the same chain space. Here is my 2 triple crochet, number 2. Again I am going one more triple crochet and then again I will make 3 double crochet. Now in the next chain space I am going to make a slip stitch. Now repeat the pattern around all the rings. First make 3 double crochet into the next chain space, and then 3 triple crochet, and then again 3 double crochet, and then a slip stitch into the next chain space. Like this we are going to have 5 petals around the ring. My third row is complete now. Now I am going to make a slip stitch with the first petals chain. Now make single crochet into every chain space. In the second number of triple crochet I will make a single crochet, then chain 3, then again single crochet into the same chain. Here is my 3 chain, then again make a single crochet into the same chain space. Now make again single crochet all the stitch. Now here I am going to make single crochet into the hole, not in the stitch. Now again make single crochet all the way and until you reach the second treble crochet, and follow this step. First you have to make single crochet, then 3 chain, then again single crochet into the same chain space, and then again make single crochet in all the chains. Follow these steps until you reach at the end. I will meet again at the end of this row. My fourth row is complete. Now I am going to end this. Make a single crochet and then cut the yarn off and pull throughout the yarn through the chain. My earrings are now complete. Now I am going to attach this with fishing hook with the help of jump ring.